Okay, time to take a look at the Magnetic Helping Hands kit. So we got our instructions. And this is very nice. It actually comes with an anti-static strap. So, see this metal pad right there? We just put that on our wrist, and then we can clamp that onto the board, and we will be grounded. That way we're not have to worry about any kind of a static charge going from us to the board. So very nice to have that if you're working on sensitive equipment. Now we got a bunch of magnetic arms. So these are super heavy duty magnets. Then we got our alligator clips, and they have insulation on the teeth, so we don't have to worry about damaging the wires. So we just drop the clip in, thread in the thumb screw, and that is ready to use. And I like that we got a couple of different lengths. So depending on the project we're working on, we can use whatever we need. I find that the shorter ones are actually better just because they're a little bit more stiff. You got less movement that's going to happen. When you need that extra length, you got this as an option. That is what they look like, and we've got an extra left over just in case we need to replace one. So here's our magnifying arm. So you got an even larger magnet on it. We got a couple of layers of magnification depending on what we need to see. And it has a ring light going all the way around. That's driven by this controller. So we got on off, we got brightness adjust, and we got color temperature. And they also included an AC adapter with that. So if you don't have a USB port available, we can still plug that directly into a wall outlet. And we've got our board holders, and these are the nice big ones. This is a style I like to see just because we've got that ceramic top on here, so we don't have to worry about there making any kind of a connection. We can completely isolate the board from whatever we're putting it on. We got strong magnets on the bottom. These also stick together. So these are very nice. Then we got some rubber feet, and that is for this base plate. I'm gonna try to adjust the color a little bit. Right about there. So that is about the color of pink that you can expect. We do have the logo on this side. If you don't want to see that, we could just put the feet on this side and call it out the bottom. I personally like seeing it, so I'm going to put the feet on the back. There we go. And we have a hole here on the side, so we can hang this on the wall when we're done. So we can decrease the brightness, increase the brightness, and then change the color to whatever is most comfortable for our eyes. So that is 4 new solder joints. All I have to do is clip those leads and we will be done. Very cool. So overall, that is a very cool setup.